Hey guys, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see IIT and IIIT offered faculty position, and this very good news for MSc, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, and PhD candidate who are looking for this kind of job. And after selection, they will provide salary depending on designation as per UGC norms. And coming to content of this video, IIIT Sonipat is looking for dedicated, committed and research oriented Indian national to fill up the following vacancies through the direct recruitment in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering CSC and Department of Information Technology IT. Post details: Assistant Professor in CSC and IT, Assistant Professor in ECE, Assistant Professor Mathematics and Humanities, PhD in relevant discipline CSC IT EC with first class BE BTech and ME MTech, Assistant Professor in Mathematics and Humanities, PhD in relevant discipline Mathematics and Humanities with first class BSc BA or MSc MA level. And coming to application, suitable candidate for fill the application offline mode. After completion, you can send speed post register post on or before 9th June 2021 at 5 pm. And application fee: candidate from within India general OBC EWS 1000 rupees, candidate from within India SC ST PWD 500, candidate from outside India all category 1000. Important date: submission of application 9th June 2021 at 5 pm. For more details, contact go through website Faculty Recruitment 2021 Assistant Professor at IIT Sonipat and other NIT Andhra Pradesh. Faculty Recruitment of Academic Staff. Application invited: Indian National of Post Assistant Professor, Associate Professor and Professor, various department. For more details, go through website www.nitandhra.ac.in. Last date for filling and submission of online application before on 16th June 2021 at 4 pm. And coming to JRF Nation Staff Technology Tirupati, and qualification: BE BTech Civil Engineering equivalent degree with 80% marks, BE BTech from IIT with minimum 8 CGPA out of 10, ME MTech MS ME MTech Civil Engineering equivalent degree with minimum 80%. And this is the project title. After selection, they will provide salary 31,000 plus HRA. And department civil and environmental engineering. And this is duration 1 year. And age limit 20 years. Last date for application 28 May 2021. For more details, go through website IIT Tirupati at bkp@iittp.ac.in. Eligible candidate must send detailed CV, maximum 2 pages, and briefly statement of purpose before on 28 May 2021. Selection will be based on qualification, experience and interview, and interview will be conducted through online mode.